Top 5 food. It's difficult to determine the top 5 foods as it is subjective and depends on personal preferences and cultural differences. Here are 5 popular foods that may be enjoyed by many people. Pizza, a savory dish made with a dough base, tomato sauce, and cheese, topped with a variety of vegetables, meats, and other ingredients. Pasta, a type of Italian food made from wheat flour and water, typically served with sauce and various other ingredients such as vegetables, meat, or seafood. Fried chicken, a dish consisting of chicken pieces that have been coated in a breading and fried until crispy. Burgers, a sandwich consisting of a patty of ground meat, typically beef, placed inside a bread roll or bun and often served with various toppings such as lettuce, tomato, and cheese. Sushi, a Japanese dish made with vinegared rice and various ingredients such as raw fish, vegetables, and egg.